Hello. So this is going to be a small part of a voiceover because I definitely did not think about any intro for this video. You can see me setting up my drones. I'm going to fly both drones, see how long the battery will last. One of the drones is going to crash. Surprise, surprise, you're never going to guess which one. And I just want to see how long they will last while I am basically walking around. You can see a comparison of the quality. As you can see, I put some timers on the screen. You can see how long they last in total. Because one of them crashed, of course the other one was hanging still, and yeah, timing might be off by a few seconds. I have definitely, in the clip itself, I am definitely wrong which one lasted longer, that's for sure. I would also like to point out, I am not a professional. I am 100% amateur. I like to make videos because, you know, people need to have a hobby, and this is mine. My experience, or at least what I'm trying to share, is really just a regular dude unpackaging a drone, flying around with it, and that's it. I am not doing any in-depth reviews. This is literally just me figuring out as I go, and I'm showing it to you. So I have two drones with me today, as you can see. It's the Neo and the Neo2, and I want to test out how they work and which one's better. They basically are currently at the same angle, and they are supposed to be following me, so let's see if they not crash into each other. I think I set the Neo2 a little bit further away, but let's see how how they work and the quality differences, which one will crash first. I can see that the Neo2 is going up and down at the moment because probably the Neo1 is in the way and it tries to avoid it. So let's see which one is going to be better. Also, let me know what you think about the quality differences. It's a very densely packed, so I expect at least one or both to crash. You can definitely see in here the Neo2 trying to avoid more. Most likely trying to avoid the Neo1. Let's hope I don't fall. So I saw a lot of comments on my video from yesterday when I was driving my bike. A lot of questions of people, or a few questions of people that wanted to know if the Neo2 is just as fast without using like a smartphone. And yes is the answer. I can make a video about it later. But basically the Neo2, you have the option in the app on the phone to add cycling mode as a preset, and then the drone basically will follow you at the speed that I was testing it yesterday. Okay, the Neo, can I up? There we go. Now it's going to be a little bit higher and it should have less trouble avoiding the Neo1. It's so funny. It's such a cool drone. Just FYI, this is not sponsored, of course, because it's a very small channel. I bought this with my own money, and I really like testing things. So far they're doing great. Let's go back. Speed it up a little bit. They can keep up. Let's see what happens when I go back. Okay, so the Neo2 is like, I will follow you wherever you go. The Neo1 is like, Dad, where you at? There we go, it found me again. Yeah, the Neo1 just, it's a bit slower, I guess. Okay, let's go. Not here because, oh, that is terrible. Go through here, small branches. I think the Neo2 doesn't really see all the tiny branches. So it might crash into those because it doesn't see them, of course. There's half a fence over here. This is a... Oh, it does a good job. Randomly walking through the woods. Filming for 6 minutes now. Oh, the Neo1, 2 is almost landing on a branch. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Crash one of you already. Oh. Holy shit. It's a force elephant. Oh, by the way, currently the Neo2 is in normal follow mode. Okay, let's see. Oh, they're both going. Oh, the Neo2 is officially down. Oh, poor guy. Okay, let's do this again. Hello?
Rear left. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. So these extremely tiny branches, like this, understandably it's hard to avoid. You can see it's currently literally next to it. It just doesn't see it. Makes sense, to be honest. Makes perfect sense. Oh, the Neo1 has lost me. Let's make it a little bit lower. The hand gestures, hands down, are amazing. You can perfectly place it where you want to have it. Up, down, right, left. Absolutely a super cool feature. Okay, it's gonna go backwards. Let's go this way, buddy. There we go. And the Neo1 is not seeing me. He's just hanging there, being confused. Nope. There we go. I just pressed it down. That helped, I guess. But it's not following me. Yeah, I think it's... I don't know why. Okay, let's start it up again. There we go. Now it's following me again. This is the yep, Neo2 also found me again. Let's continue our endeavors. and I see that one drone has stopped, which surprisingly is the Neo1. The Neo1 is stopped, while the Neo2 is hanging about. So the Neo1 actually outlasts the Neo2 by about 30 seconds. I must add that the Neo2 actually has its prop guards and the transmission module on the back, which makes it a little bit heavier. According to the DJI specifications, or at least what they say on their site, if you remove the module, you will go from 17 minutes to 19 minutes. And I don't know what type of situation they tested it, but I doubt it's ever going to make that amount of flight time. Even when hovering, it is not gonna go to 19 minutes. Pretty sure there's other videos about it, but yeah, maybe in the future I'll remove the module, remove the prop guards, and do some flight tests with the drone behind the bike. For now, I just want to keep the module on it because for me it's convenient to switch it up. You know, sometimes I want to use my controller, sometimes I want to use just my phone or nothing. So the amount of time it takes to put it on, remove it, for me it's not worth it. Shout out to Aaron. Yes, the prop guards is a good point. Just a small thing to add. I'm not a very active uploader. My previous video got 11,000 views at the moment. Yeah, thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments. I definitely did not expect to have these amount of viewers and new subscribers. So to everybody watching this, thank you, and well, see you in the next one. It what? It pissed off the birds? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, there you have it. It pissed off the birds. What do you think? Should I keep it? Okay, I should keep it.